Hi everyone, this is module number 96 for the subject of SHRM. And in this module, we will continue to talk about the implementation issues and particularly from the line manager's perspective. So what are the obstacles faced by the line managers when they are implementing any HR strategy? So there can be a long list of issues faced by the line managers when they are implementing any HR strategy. Some of them are mentioned here, and we will briefly talk about them. So, for example, the first one is lack of skills or knowledge in HR. Any strategy which is developed by the HR is eventually being or would be implemented by the line managers. Line managers have a different type of skills, different type of knowledge that might be more related to the business or the productivity of the employees or the management of the organization business rather than the social and ethical and legal issues which are being considered by the HR managers. So this is one issue might be faced by the line managers. For example, I don't want to talk too much about that. For example, the line managers, should they call the employees on their personal mobile phone when they are not at work? HR might have a different opinion about it based on their knowledge of the legalities involved in this issue, but the line managers may not be very much aware of that. Should they or they shouldn't call an employee? At the same time, you might have observed that a lot of WhatsApp groups are being developed in every organization, and they keep on messaging employees even when they are out of job. Any HR professional might be bothered about the well-being of the employees, but the line managers, they might be unaware of those issues, and they might seek the compliance and productivity and business issues are considered more important as compared to what HR consider for the human resource. So lack of clarity on the part of line managers about what is expected of them, and lack of confidence in implementing HR strategies because of lack of knowledge and skills. Some more issues, a couple of them here. Lack of training provided to the line managers. Definitely no organization provide line managers the training to perform HR functions. In some organizations, employees are on a rotation and they work in different departments to learn different skills. However, it's not very common in most of the organizations. So reluctance to take on HR work or disdain towards it. They want to keep a distance from the HR, the functions or the activities or the responsibilities of the HR. Further, competing priorities and a focus on the short term on the part of the line managers, because line managers may see that it's a wastage of time. They have a lot to do in their own plate. They have to manage a lot of activities. How they can take on the activities which are the responsibilities of the HR managers. So induction and orientation and issuing the description, the job description, that is mainly the responsibility of the HR. So if I, as a line manager, involved in doing these things, I might consider that I'm wasting my time. That is your responsibility. The lack of reward for the line managers relating to HR activities. Why should I involve in those activities which are primarily responsibilities of the HR managers, not mine? However, at the same time, they are concerned by some HR managers when they are delegating these responsibilities or these roles to the line managers. There are also some concerns by the HR managers. First, for example, giving part of their role. If you were the HR manager or HR professional in an organization, and your responsibility, your role is played by someone else, you might have a concerns, you might have a fear about that if it is taken by the line managers, I may lose my job, or the top management may consider that HR is doing nothing, or the value of my job could be undermined in an organization when somebody else perform what I do actually in the organization, or what I'm supposed to do in an organization. So fear over job security and anxiety and lack of line managers' capability. At the same time, on the positive note, HR managers might be skeptical that what I am delegating to the line managers, they are not capable of doing that. So these are the concerns from the both parties about the implementation issues of the HR strategy. Thank you.